Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change row height in Excel. Open an Excel sheet and you can see if you just keep your cursor here, you can see the row height from here. If you click on it, you can see it's 15, which is 20 pixels. You can customize it by simply dragging them down. Only this cell will be changed. Okay, if you just change it in another way, you can go to this format option and click on row height and customize it from here. Let's say I want to make it 20 and I'll click on OK, and here you can see it's customized. It is bigger now. So if you just make it to the entire your worksheet, you have to just simply select it by pressing on Ctrl A. After selecting, you have to go to format button and go to row height, give a size, and as you can see, the entire worksheet is changed to 30. So this is how you can change the row height in Excel. So hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.